important to know about a load stick? Why do I need a load stick? In the end, especially on a GM stock suspension style frame, your lower control arm is basically clamshelling a front spring. So even in pavement, we also can clamshell a front spring in some of the A-arm style lower control arms. So a load stick is the only device you have to put in place of the shock to pull that suspension load in a clamshell method and measure what that load is. Whereas like a coilover, you have center to center, you can put that in a load machine, you can determine that load out off the car and you know what that is. We don't have that ability to do that on like a stock style suspension car. So this is the only way that you can get that information. So in essence, these on a stock style car replaces the load machine like we're using on a coilover style car. On the pavement world, we use this because there's no other way to really set that load on the torsion bar accurately, or on the sway bar accurately. The sway bar is something that you're twisting. It can change throughout time. It can change if different materials, even if it's the same diameter. So the only way to truly know what that load is on the sway bar is with the load stick. So setting that length, loading the sway bar the way that you think you need it loaded, and then that gives you a number that you can then build your notebook and tune off of.